Okay, let's get a closer look at the accessories here. This is the cool harness, which has a computer that folds down. You know, this is new tech stuff. Again, you rarely see this with any kind of G.I. Joe bigger accessories. This opens up into an actual little computer. I'll show you the inside there. Kind of like a little laptop. The details inside are fairly good. And then it folds up, and then you fold it up on your chest there. So you have a little portable. This goes, let's look at the other stuff, of course, here. Here is the actual mask, or here's the visor you put over the face. Here's the holster for the gun goes in. And, sure exactly, so this, of course, goes on the thigh, and this would be... So it's a nice little modern-type weapon system. The gun doesn't do anything. It's kind of soft plastic. You can see here with all these different things around there. And so are all these accessories. They're rugged, soft plastic. They're sculpted well. Kind of an interesting-looking laser-type gun. And, of course, here's the fascinating area of it. It's a little strap here we can take off. And this is the actual exploding figure how this goes on here. Exploding. Dynamite Pack. And when you trigger it, it explodes. It's kind of a, again, a cool little idea. It's non-electric. It has a little spring in it. Let me look at this and figure out how this goes on here. So, as usual, these things take a little bit of looking at to make it go right here. And, its connector, but without messing with it here and making it boring, what you do is you press down on this and that pops up there. So it's kind of cool. The thing opens up, it blows up, all this comes with it. So we'll just do that again here. You can put this is assembled around it. You have this nice little lever. It's like a real kind of press down explosive device. So you press it down here. Let's see if I can demonstrate this again. And it kicks it out. And it's, you know, if you position things on there rightly, you get it. You know, it's strong enough that you get kind of a nice effect. Some of these toys have such weak springs in them that you don't get any good release from them. So, you know, it certainly is a cool extra item. I mean, this is a whole bunch of dynamite put together here. and this has it here. I mean, you could put anything on top of this that you wanted, and it pops open when you press the handle there, and there's no batteries or anything else. It's all spring design, so it's kind of nice that you have all that. It is cool. It's different. As I said, these kind of accessories you can use with any of your figures, and it's quite nice to be able to have some of these items. This is one of the nicer alternative type things I've seen. And of course it has a cool gun, as I've mentioned. Nice little holster here, and so that would go with anyone. This is just a visor that you put on top of the head, and of course the main aspect here is that. So this is the NETEC Adventure Pack Explosives, which works with any 12-inch action figure, and it's the usual great quality that you get from any kind of Mattel product. A little closer look. I think I've shown this pretty well. And of course, here's the nice little unusual actual fold-down computer that you'd be operating these different devices with. And this is goes around this if you want to. It's kind of odd in general. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be rocks or whatever. But I hope you've enjoyed it. More to come.